Hello guys, my name is Miguel Bolaños. In today's video, I am going to share with you a plan class about reported speech. For for explain this plan class, I am going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen with you in order to to make the explanation more interactive. Just give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So now, um, the reporter speech is the class plan, is the topic lesson. Let me do that. Yes. Okay, nice. So the reporter speech is the topic of the class. The target um, is second bachelor. The time of the class is 45 minutes. Yeah. So the objectives for this plan class, uh, uh, they are gonna be able to identify and obey orders, and we will be able to keep the conversation going. We will be able to identify facts and opinions, and also we will be able to write situations indirectly. I say indirectly because this topic is about maybe of in this word. Yeah, the methodology, it's gonna be a direct method and audiolingual method. The strategies is gonna be repetitions, mm, interact uh, about oral exercises, a role play, sentences and paragraphs made, and use of pictures and videos and audios. So, like you can see in this imagine, uh, and the right, report the speech. Um, when we use it, we have direct speech and report speech. When we have direct speech, present simple, in order to make a report speech, we use past simple. And when we have present continuous, in order to use reported speech, we use past continuous. When we have present perfect direct speech, so we use past continuous. When we have past simple and direct speech, if you are gonna uh, do a reported speech, you need to use past perfect simple and past continuous, past perfect continuous, and past perfect, past perfect. And that's the last one. Yeah. So in order to continue with the class, with this plan class, we have to we're gonna do an anticipatory set. So here we're gonna start um, with a reported speech and opposite, like direct speech and indivisible part of direct style that brought you here today. In the next step, like warm activity, a page of exercise that the students must complete to know if they know the subject or not, like a diagnostic test, you know? So, um, then we're going to presentate uh, a huge explain about direct speech and indirect speech. What's the difference? What involves exact the other things, you know. So uh, in order to start, I am going to presentate a video, and then I will ask them some random questions about the video. So then uh, I will reproduce some slides with the samples that the students form a clear idea of the topic discussed. And like you can see here in the screen, uh, in order to finish the explanations, we're going to write some examples in order to clear the idea about the topic. Yeah, and the next step, modeling. Here, we're going to disappear all doubts that the students have about the topic, um, and reinforce with some examples again and situations that there is better understanding. In guided practice, I, I propose the students with a correct pronunciation when they need to talk their other classmates, also give keywords to structure their sentences or questions. Um, and the next step in dependent practice will give some examples, and then I will give them a questionnaire in order to complete as shortest possible time in the shortest possible time. Like assessment, guys, they are gonna able able to ask the questions. What is a reported speech? Or like, do you know its grammar structures? Or when or what do we use it? Or can you write an example? And finally, uh, I'm I present a supplementary material like a video, like a questionnaire, an audio, and a test for check the report speech. Well, so well, guys, I think I think it's this video. Uh, I hope that this video is gonna be kind, useful for you in order to do a class plan example. So that's all for today, and thank you very much.